Hey guys, London is the capital and largest city of the England and the United Kingdom. The city stands on the river Thames, the southeast of England, at the head of its 50-mile estuary leading to the North Sea. London is governed by the Mayor of London and the London Assembly. London is one of the world's most important global city and has been called the world's most powerful, most desirable, most influential, most visited, most expensive, sustainable, most investment friendly, and most popular for work city. It exerts a considerable impact upon the arts, commerce, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, healthcare, media, professional services, research and development. Tourism and transportation. London's ranked 26 out of 300 major cities for economics performance. It is one of the largest financial centers and has either the fifth or sixth largest metropolitan area GDP. It is the most visited city as measured by international arrival and has the busiest city airport system as measured by passenger traffic. It is a leading investment destination hosting more international retailers than any other city. As of 2020, London has the second highest number of billionaires of any city in Europe after Moscow. In 2019, London had the highest number of ultra high net worth individuals in Europe. London's university form the largest concentration of higher education institutes in Europe, and London is home to high-ranked institutions such as Imperial College London in Natural and Applied Science and the London School of Economics in Social Science. In 2012, London became the first city to have hosted three modern Summer Olympic Games. London has a diverse range of people and cultures, and more than 300 languages are spoken in the region. It is estimated mid-2018 municipal population was 9 million, the third most population of any city in Europe, and accounts for 13.4% of the UK population. London's urban area is the third most population in Europe after Moscow and Paris, with 10 million inhabitants at the 2011 census. The London commuter belt is the second most populous in Europe after the Moscow metropolitan area with 14 million inhabitants in 2016. London was the world's largest city from c. 1831 to 1925, with a population density of 3 to 5 people per hectare. London's overcrowded conditions led to cholera epidemic, claiming 14,000 lives in 1848 and 6,000 in 1866. Rising traffic congestion led to the creation of the world's first local urban rail network. The Metropolitan Board of Work oversaw infrastructure expansion in the capital and some of the surrounding countries. It was abolished in 1889 when the London County Council was created of those areas of the country surrounding the capital. London was bombed by the Germans during the First World War And during the Second World War, the Blitz and other bombing by the German Luftwaffe killed over 30,000 Londoners, destroying large tracts of housing and other buildings across the city. Immediately after the war, the 1848 Summer Olympics were held at the original Wembley Stadium at a time when London was still recovering from the war. On the 1940 onwards, London became home to many immigrants, primarily for Commonwealth countries such as Jamaica, India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, making London one of the most diverse cities worldwide. In 1951, the Festival of Britain was held on the South Bank. The Great Smog of 1952 led to the Clean Air Act 1956, which ended the pea soup fog for which London had been notorious. London is seat of the government of the United Kingdom. Many government departments as well as the Prime Minister residence at Downing Street are based close to the place of Westminster, particularly along Whitehall. There are 73 members of Parliament (MPs) from London elected from local parliamentary constitution in the national parliament. As of December 2019, 49 are from the Labour Party, 51 are Conservative and 3 are Liberal Democrats. The ministerial post of Ministers for London was created in 1994. The current Minister for London is Paul Scully MP. Policing in Greater London with the exception of the City of London is provided by the Metropolitan Police, overseen by the Mayor through the Mayor's Office for Policing and Crime. The City of London has its own police force, the City of London Police. The British Transport Police are responsible for police services on National Rail, London Underground, Docklands Light Railway and Tramlink services. A fourth police force in London, the Ministry of Defence Police, do not generally become involved with policing the general public. Crime rates vary widely by area, ranging from parts with serious issue to parts considered very safe. Today, crime figures are made available nationally at local authority and world level. In 2015, there were 118 homicides, or 25.5 increase over 2014. The Metropolitan Police have made detailed crime figures broken down by category at GO and world level available on their website since 2000. Recorded crime has been rising in London, notably violent crime and murder by standing and others means have risen. There were 50 murders from the start of the 2018 to mid-April 2018. Funding cuts to police in London are likely to have contributed to this. Tough other factors are also involved. Guys, if you